Hey everyone, Jamie Oliver here. Let's talk about good food, vibrant health, and the magic of a simple salad. Forget boring salads. We're diving into a delicious green detox salad, bursting with flavor and goodness. This salad is your secret weapon for a healthier you. It's easy to make, packed with nutrients and oh so satisfying. Ready to get started? Let's go. First, grab your favorite greens. When it comes to building a detox salad, the foundation is crucial. Fresh greens are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that help cleanse your body and provide a burst of energy. Think spinach, kale, or romaine lettuce. These greens are not only nutrient-dense but also add a variety of textures and flavors to your salad. Spinach is tender and mild, kale is hearty and slightly bitter, and romaine lettuce is crisp and refreshing. Wash them well and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Properly washing your greens is essential to remove any dirt or pesticides. Once clean, chopping them into smaller pieces makes them easier to eat and helps distribute the flavors evenly throughout your salad. Now for the fun part, adding your favorite veggies. This is where you can get creative and add a rainbow of colors to your salad. The more colorful your salad, the more nutrients it contains. I love crunchy cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and colorful bell peppers. Cucumbers add a refreshing crunch, tomatoes bring a burst of juiciness, and bell peppers provide a sweet and slightly tangy flavor. They add sweetness and crunch. Next, protein. Adding a source of protein to your salad is important to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Protein helps repair and build tissues, making it an essential part of your diet. Grilled chicken or fish are fantastic choices. Both are lean sources of protein that complement the fresh flavors of your salad. Grilled chicken adds a savory element, while fish, such as salmon or tuna, provides healthy omega-3 fatty acids. For a vegetarian option, chickpeas or tofu are brilliant. Chickpeas are rich in fiber and protein, making them a great addition to any salad. Tofu, on the other hand, is a versatile protein that absorbs the flavors of the other ingredients. They keep you feeling full and energized. Including protein in your salad ensures that you have sustained energy throughout the day, preventing those mid-afternoon slumps. Finally, sprinkle some nuts and seeds for a satisfying crunch and healthy fats. Nuts and seeds are not only delicious but also provide essential fatty acids that are good for your heart and brain. Think sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, or chopped almonds. These add a delightful crunch and a boost of nutrition to your salad. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, pumpkin seeds are high in magnesium, and almonds provide a good source of protein and healthy fats. By following these steps, you can create a delicious and nutritious detox salad that not only tastes great but also supports your overall health. Enjoy your detox delight. Now let's talk about why these ingredients are so amazing. Each one of these vibrant, fresh vegetables and greens brings something unique and beneficial to the table. They are not just colorful and appetizing, but they are also packed with nutrients that are essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Leafy greens are like superheroes for your body. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are incredibly nutrient-dense. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining healthy vision, boosting your immune system, and keeping your bones strong. They're packed with vitamins and minerals that boost your immune system and give you energy. The antioxidants found in leafy greens help to fight off free radicals, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Including a variety of these greens in your diet can also improve digestion and promote a healthy gut. Cucumbers and tomatoes are full of water, keeping you hydrated and refreshed. Cucumbers are not only hydrating, but also contain important nutrients like vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium. Tomatoes, on the other hand, are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and antioxidants like lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C, which is great for your skin. They also contain vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision and a strong immune system. The vibrant colors of bell peppers indicate the presence of various phytonutrients, which have antioxidant properties that help protect your cells from damage. And those nuts and seeds, they're full of healthy fats and fiber, keeping your heart happy and your tummy satisfied. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and seeds like chia and flax seeds are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. They also provide protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Including a handful of nuts and seeds in your salad can add a satisfying crunch and make your meal more filling. So next time you prepare a salad, remember that each ingredient is packed with goodness. Not only do they make your salad delicious, but they also contribute to your overall health and well-being. Enjoy the vibrant colors, the fresh flavors, and the incredible health benefits that come with every bite. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. It can be a delightful and nourishing experience. Tips and tricks. Want to take your salad to the next level? Easy peasy. Salads are a fantastic way to enjoy a healthy meal, but sometimes they can feel a bit bland. With just a few simple additions, you can transform your salad into a flavor-packed delight that will leave your taste buds dancing. A squeeze of lemon juice adds a burst of freshness. The acidity of the lemon not only brightens up the flavors, but also helps to balance the richness of other ingredients. Plus, it's a great way to add a zesty kick without adding extra calories. A drizzle of olive oil provides healthy fats. Olive oil is not only heart-healthy, but also enhances the texture and flavor of your salad. It gives a smooth, rich mouthfeel that pairs perfectly with crunchy vegetables. Choose extra virgin olive oil for the best quality and taste, and a sprinkle of herbs like parsley or cilantro adds amazing flavor. Fresh herbs can elevate your salad by adding a burst of color and a fresh, aromatic taste. Don't be shy to mix and match different herbs to find your perfect combination. Don't be afraid to experiment. Salads are incredibly versatile, and you can get creative with your ingredients. Try adding fruits like berries or apple slices for a sweet twist, or nuts and seeds for a crunchy texture. The possibilities are endless. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the natural flavors of your ingredients. Salt can bring out the sweetness in vegetables, while pepper adds a subtle heat that can make your salad more exciting. Or try a dash of your favorite spices. Spices like cumin, paprika, or even a hint of chili powder can add depth and complexity to your salad. Don't hesitate to experiment with different spice blends to find what you love the most. Remember, the key to a great salad is balance and variety. So go ahead, mix it up, and enjoy your flavor burst. Section 5. Detox salad, your clean eating companion. This detox salad is not just delicious, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. It's perfect for a light lunch, a satisfying dinner, or even a quick and healthy snack. It's all about giving your body the good stuff it craves. This salad is your key to feeling lighter, cleaner, and full of energy. Section 6. Variations on a theme exploring different tastes. Feeling adventurous? Let's jazz up this salad. Swap chicken for succulent shrimp, add a handful of juicy berries for a touch of sweetness. Roast your veggies for a smoky flavor. Get creative and make this salad your own. Section 7. Salad in a jar. The perfect grab-and-go meal. Short on time? Make this salad ahead of time and pack it in a jar. Layer the ingredients with the dressing at the bottom to prevent soggy greens. Grab it from the fridge for a quick and healthy lunch at work or on the go. Section 8. Green is good. The importance of a balanced diet. Remember, eating healthy isn't about restrictions. It's about enjoying delicious food that nourishes your body. This detox salad is a fantastic way to incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and lean protein into your diet. Listen to your body, eat when you're hungry, and choose foods that make you feel good. Section 9. Join the salad revolution. So there you have it. A simple, delicious, and incredibly healthy detox salad. It's easy to make, packed with nutrients, and endlessly customizable. Get creative, experiment with flavors, and enjoy the goodness of a vibrant green salad. Happy cooking. Subscribe to the E-Green channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life.